here at Middle Creek Lake Reservoir, and this is supposed to be the migration home of the white geese coming in from Canada. Or not coming in, they're coming from the south back up to Canada now.
Pretty much looks like a bunch of white
and this one of their
dots
resting places is pretty popular for people to come out here and watch these. I mean, there's people all around us here and all over on the other side of the lake here watching the birds, and they've got their cameras out and stuff like that. So I don't know if I'll be able to talk to you outside because it's really windy, but we'll try to get some video here and let you see what it is along the way here. There's your snow geese out there. You see them here. They're all coming up here in this cove up here, it looks like, to stay out of this wind. This wind is very strong today. You see how much bigger they are than these little, what are the other geese called? Canadian geese. And these are the snow geese. Pretty big out there.
It does look like some of them are swans. Because some of them are really big. And they're next
But this is just a normal stopping ground for them to come in here and stop for a break while they're going up north there.
Are tundra swans different than...
Even the Amish come out here to look at the swans. They got a horse and buggy coming down the road here.
I found this on the web for how a tundra swan's different. Check it out.
Oh, guys, look over that way. Look to the right. Whoa.
Oh, they come.
It looks like it's a bunch of popcorn flying.
All of them decided to fly at one time there.
Hey,
Hear them.
listen.
They're trying to take off, but that wind is mighty strong out there.
Down there by those three it looks like there's a girl duck. Doesn't that look like a female duck? Grandma. It looks like see
flower
those
petals.
see those three Grandma, see those three snow geese that are pretty close? 3 or 4? Doesn't it look like that brown one is a female duck? Stop it!
Well, there sure is a great interest in these geese watching here. I never thought of this until you get out here and you see all these people out here taking these pictures and stuff like that out here. It's just amazing to see all the interest in just these geese out here. So we're gonna walk up here a little bit further. It'd be nice to see them take off again and go flying again. But they're not. Like I said, this wind is awful tough today. It's awful strong. There your geese are. them out flying in here. Ah, here he goes. There goes a big one. Don't get bombed out here. That was interesting, wasn't it? That's what everybody waits for out here, I guess. Here we all go again. Well, they're gonna migrate too now. Yeah. Where are they gonna go to?
There's thousands of them.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where are they gonna go to now? Look, oh, maybe that's the end of it for today.